Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Autocut feature 2026. In 2026, the TikTok Autocut feature is a built-in AI editing tool that automatically synchronizes your photos and video clips to the beat of a song. Now, this feature is a powerful way to increase distribution as the TikTok algorithm currently prioritizes creators who can use native editing tools like Autocut. Now, how to use this Autocut in 2026? First of all, go ahead and open your TikTok application, tap on this plus icon. Now, once you're there, go ahead and take a photo or even a video, or what you can do is go ahead and tap on this icon and select your video from there. Now once you have selected your video and tapped on this next button, and it should be processed. Now once the video is processed, you will find this option called Autocut. Now go ahead and tap on it. From there you will be able to choose any of the random templates or pre-made templates, and as you can see, there is an option called Autocut right on the bottom. Now go ahead and select one of the presets, and once you find your desired preset, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this next button, and your video should be ready to be posted and can also be saved into your gallery. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.